Welcome back to the channel. I bought this crashed Yamaha R1. In this video you will see everything, how much I paid for it, what I needed to be repaired, how much the parts and repair cost, and most importantly if I could actually get it through inspection and back on the road. Another bike, Japanese bike. We're here. I think this will be third bike when we buy from them. The bike's from Denmark. Let's go. The oil looks like the engine oil is with the water, and I can't see the E markers for headlights, so alright, this one is too much damage. With the wires. So need to discuss with the price, but this one is better with the E markers and everything. Yeah, I checked both the bikes and the black one is better one, so I already checked it and I will take black one. No, it's good.
How you gonna hold it?
No problem.
You not need hand, no?
No.
Definitely.
It's good.
Ready?
Another bike, Yamaha R1. Alright, let's do the paperwork as usual. Very beautiful weather outside. Here are the cars as well. So yeah, let's do the paperwork. Alright guys, another bike, another project. So Yamaha R1 2006 model. So this will be the second Yamaha R1 2006 in this channel. So the bike is in the house, so I will show you the damages for the bike now. Let's start with the front and I will show you the damages. So as you can see, the front fairing is broken. We'll need new one. The wheel and fender, everything is good with them. So the screen broken. So the most important thing, the headlights, they are good. I already checked the brackets from inside and nothing is broken, so all good with the headlights. So front fairing or speedo bracket, as you can see, it's completely broken. This one happened like usually if you get the impact from the front, so those are broken. So that Yamaha what I had before was, this thing was broken as well, so yeah. The sides are really good, nothing is scratched. The fuel tank is good. So about the back, lots of scratches on the rear tail fairing, so we'll need to repaint it. There is no cracks, but lots of scratches. Really interesting exhaust. Those exhaust, I don't know, my opinion, looks like 4 tubes. but maybe someone like them. I don't know if I will keep it or not. We'll see. All right, this side, the wheel, everything is good. The packs, all good. So side fairing, here are scratches as well, but the fairing, there are no cracks, so it will be easy to rebuild this side. The bottom fairing as well, here are the scratches, but nothing is broken, so really good. Yeah, so the covers, I will need to buy this one new. Like, it's completely scratched, and this cover I will need to buy a new one as well. All right, overall I think this will be a really easy project. Firstly, I had those bikes, like two of them before, like exactly like this one, 2006 model, and I had 2009 model. So all right, let's try to start the bike. So I already checked it before. There are problem with the wiring, so it's not turning on, something with the wires. But before I try to like move it, and it shows something. So the speedo is not broken, something with the wires. So lots of smokes. Probably the bike was standing, maybe on the side. So let's wait when it's warm, and let's try to run it. All right, so I will clean the bike, and I will show you how it looks like clean one. I think it will be really good. All right, then Yamaha is in the garage. So today the plan is to continue working with the Yamaha to remove all broken parts. Before we start, so I have a marker, I have a white paper. So usually I got lots of questions about how much I paid for the bikes and how much cost the parts. So yeah, I will write down how much I paid for this Yamaha R1 2006 model, and how much I paid for all the parts what I need. And yeah, so and you will be able to see if it's worth it or not. So all right, let's start. All right, so I write it down everything. So let's start to tell you what's going on. I bought this bike, Yamaha R1 2006 model, 2,500 euros. So here are the prices, as you can see. So the parts what I need for this bike is speedo bracket. It cost me 45 euros. Grips, handlebar grips, 27 euros. Front fairing, 87 euros. So I still need to paint it. So screen, 27 euros, and the petrol money cost me like 20 euros to pick up this bike. So okay, so the total amount so far is 2,706 euros. So basically I still need to do the paint job for the front fairing what I bought. I still need to paint it, and I need to prepare this side for painting, and I need to paint it. So I think it will be extra 100 50 euros. Right then, so that's it about the prices for this bike. So I think I will write it down like for other bikes, because I think it's more interesting for you, because you can see actual prices and everything. So not just to remove and install the parts. So now let's start to remove the all broken parts. The bracket is completely broken. And that's about it. Alright, so this one, the bottom fairing is removed, so both sides, and the grill, so I will strip it down later. So let's do the sides now. Alright then, so almost all broken parts are removed, so still need to remove tail. So but firstly let's separate these things. So let's remove headlights from the fairing and the speedo from the broken speedo bracket. So let's do this. Voila! So that's it. Speedo bracket is removed from fairing, and alright then. That's it. Speedo is removed. This will go to the bin. Luckily the speedo is fine, so I'll go with the speedometer. And yeah. Now let's separate the headlights from that broken fairing and move on. Finally. So one headlight, two headlights, and that's it. That's it. Headlights are good as well. It's been few days, so back with the Yamaha. So what I still need to do, so still need to remove the slider, the air tube. I will remove the grips, and basically that's it. Few other small parts. This one, the broken speedo bracket pieces, and that's about it. So about the rear tail, I decided I will not remove it. I will keep it. So basically just few scratches. There is no point to repainting the entire tail for such a minor minor scratches, so I will just touch it up with some paint, and that's it. Alright, this one will go to bin. Alright guys, we are in the vehicle registration place, how to say in English. We need to do first registration for Yamaha R1. And so yeah, the bike is from Denmark, so here are all papers, and yeah, we need to do first registration here in Latvia, so hope so everything will be alright with the papers, you never know, and yeah, let's do that. Alright, so let's go there. I don't know why it's everything should be alright with the papers. I know that everything is alright, but every time there is that kind of little nervous when you do first registrations. Alright, my friends, good news, good news. Alright, my friends, Yamaha R1 is registered in Latvia. OF3531. Alright, OF like officer. Yeah, so all good. 94 euros for first registration in Latvia. So registration is done, so let's go home and let's start working on with this Yamaha R1, because it's already spring. Like today is 12 degrees Celsius plus 12 degrees Celsius. So yeah, let's start working on with this Yamaha R1, because I want to ride. Alright, hello guys, we are back with the Yamaha R1. So let's start to put the front together. I got front fairing here, headlight wiring loom, and brackets. So firstly, let's put the headlights in the front fairing, then the wirings, and then the bracket, and the last one will be speedo. And when this will be ready, we can put all on the fronts. Freshly painted front fairing. Let's put the headlights in and then move on.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. while the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it be.
Alright, I'm done with the wiring. As you can see, I figured out everything with the wires, so now let's install speedo to the bracket, and then when I will install speedo to the bracket, it will be easier to fit the bracket here, so let's do that. Alright, so let's install the speedo to the new bracket. So bumps. Alright, done. 3 screws here and the speedo is installed as well. Let's install bracket with the speedo to the fairing now. Alright, that's it. Speedo is on, bracket is on, wirings are on, and headlights are on. So let's install the front in the place. So I need to put the sticker here, the Yamaha sticker, the screen, the inside plastics, and basically that's it. Alright guys, where we are. So here are the bike batteries, so I recharge it. So let's try to put it in, and before I install the inside plastics, I want to check the turn signals if they are working. So let's do that. Alright, so battery is installed. Let's try to check the turn signals. Alright guys, I will show you how far we are with the Yamaha so far. So yeah, basically as you can see, the bike is almost finished. So what I need still to do, so here are the sticker for the bottom fairing. So I need to put the registration plate on there, and here I have those two inner plastics which goes there, and then that bottom plastic which goes there. So yeah, so let's do that, and then we can try to start the bike, and then we can prepare the bike for the inspection. All right guys, so basically almost it's ready. Still need to put the plate on, and that's it. How do you like it? Let's drill the holes for this plate, and let's put it there. Alright my friends, as you can see, the Yamaha R1 is ready. So I really think it looks great. So I like the black and the red accents on this bike. So yeah, next step, what we're gonna do, so we will go to the technical inspection, and then I will be able to ride this bike on the streets legal for 2 years. So, but before we go into MOT, let's try to start the bike and let's hear how the bike sounds. Alright, before we go to inspection, let's check how many decibels the exhaust is allowed to be on from the factory on this bike. Usually it's like 97 decibels or something. As you can see on the video it's really loud, so I think I will need to think about that, some kind of decibel killers or something like that. All right, let's check it out. So it's basically right in here. As you can see here, 97 decibels. So definitely this exhaust has more. So I don't know. The bad thing is that there isn't like holes for the decibel killers, but before we go, I need to solve this problem with the load. Right, hello everyone, new day, new me, as you can see. So today I have a couple of hours to work on with the bike, so I want to fix the problem with the exhaust, because tomorrow I'm planning to go to the inspection for Yamaha. Now I will show you the solution, what I came up with to make sure the exhaust is not so noisy. All right, then here I bought those metal, I don't know how it's in English, metal things. As I told you before, I don't have the holes here to put the decibel killer inside, so the solution, I tried this before, like you can put those metal things inside, so inside the exhaust here, and it will reduce the noise, so it will be not so noisy. I need to screw exhaust here. I want to do it here, like these claps here and the other one here, but for exhaust here are two brackets here, so basically I need to remove the tail as well. So, and then I will be able to remove the exhaust and put those things inside in the exhaust. So let's do that. I didn't mention, so this bike has dynojet power commander, not bad. Basically what I did, I put that metal thing here, so it will be good, because you see inside there's like smaller hole, so it will be good, so it won't like blow away or something like that. So. For me, I think it's still too loud. I need to put like two of them inside, I think. Alright, so let's try like this. So I put two of them on that side as well. So. Now it's better, but I already put two of them there, so I will try like this, but I don't know, I think it's still too loud. But if I will not pass it, so I will just put the stock exhaust and that's it.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning.
Alright guys, actually this was fast. I think I put it all together like in 5 minutes. Let's wait for tomorrow, and let's try to do inspection for tomorrow. So I hope so everything will be alright with that exhaust. So I think I'm worried about just for exhaust, so everything else should be alright. So see you in tomorrow. Alright guys, let's go to the inspection. To do inspection thing. I hope so I'm not too late. Technical inspection for motorcycle in Latvia, 21 euros for 2 years, so it's already my number, so let's go there. Cross the fingers and hope so everything will be alright. Alright guys, I'm waiting now. The inspection guy took the bike for the ride, so in Latvia they check the bike and they riding it as well. What do you think? Write in the comments. Alright guys, guess what? I didn't pass it. So the exhaust was too loud, and the funny thing was the guy said that he can't even do like an inspection because the foams are inside. He said buy the exhaust, stock exhaust. And the second thing, so two things. Second thing was I forgot to put the inflector here. You know, we need to do that. And yeah, funny thing, so he saw with the flashlight that there is foams inside. So yeah, so that was funny, not funny, but yeah. So basically I will check if from 2008, 2007, 2008 the exhaust is the same. If it's same, so I will replace it, or not, so I will need to buy the new exhaust stock one. So anyway, I don't know if it's end of the video or not, but yeah, we'll see. Disappointed. Second try. All right, the stock exhaust is here, so let's put it there. All right guys, the bike is ready for inspection. Second try, so stock exhaust is on and the reflector is on, so let's go there and try again. Alright guys, another try, so now everything should be alright. So I put the stock exhaust on, and then the reflector is on, so everything should be alright. Alright, we are next. 2025 and 2026 are next. Alright guys, I passed the inspection with the zero issues, completely clean. The motorcycle is now ready for the season, full road legal and good to be on the road for the next 2 years. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.